Here's the thing. Y'all me today?
Take it outside. I thought 5 was when everyone was able to sleep and everything would be quiet. Some people have to actually go home and drive home today.
I gotta drive home too.
Okay, so why the fuck are you screaming when people are trying to sleep?
I had to get her back.
Go outside, bring it outside like a normal fucking human.
She's sleeping. I couldn't take her outside.
So take her outside. Go out there. Why are you yelling?
Oh, that's kind of wild.
What is wild? I'm literally just confused of what's happening.
Wait, you pay for this or this your shit?
I mean, yeah.
So you can really do whatever.
I mean, I'm not, you know, it's no disrespect.
So you can scream like a fucking madman and you can't bring it outside.
I mean, we could have, but I couldn't like pick her up and take her outside. That's kind of weird.
I don't give a fuck. This is the worst retreat ever.
I guess.
So fucking stupid.